Hi folks, here Lawrence from Italy and welcome to this new video. This will be a very different video from the others because I want to try this new format. I want to try to vlog because now my English speaking is improved a lot until 3 years ago. So anyway, I'm here on this path. Today I will tell the story about this trekking. It will be a bit harsher than the trekking I usually do on this channel, and for this I will shoot just with GoPro. Anyway, the path is clear, not too much people because it's really early in the morning. It's 8:30 and yeah, so let's go. This is the path and this is so cool, guys, because I'm already in the wood. And yeah, so let's go. Okay, I get lost for a moment here because the paths come from here and you think maybe you have to go up. Instead you have to go this way, passing the little river, and you have to proceed in this way. Yeah. The little reptile you saw before was a viper because of the head that is triangular, so it was venomous. But yeah, you just have to stay far, and he probably have more fear than you. So okay, let's go on. Okay guys, I think this is my new record, 45 minutes to reach Pian del Valasco, that I'm gonna show you. So yeah, I rushed a bit, but that's fine because we have still 2 hours walk to the lake. So yeah, let's move forward. Anyway, welcome to Pian del Valasco. Yeah. Okay, this is our lake, Lago Inferiore di Valscura. Yeah, this way, let's go. Okay, you see this building over there? Yeah, once upon a time was the hunting house of the Italian king in the first 19th century. Then was abandoned for a lot of years, and then in the 1990s or in the 2000s was I don't remember the exact date, was rebuilt, and now is an amazing refuge where you can eat a lot of dishes, and one of the most special is polenta with a lot of toppings, but it's amazing if you want just to do a fast hike. You can reach this refuge slowly in 1 hour and a half, so it's for everyone. Okay, we are at the crossroad. This way we're going to Rifugio Questa mountain hut, and this way we're going to our Valscura Lake. Our path, of course, is this one, so that's going on. Yeah. Welcome to the cavern. Yeah, let's go to the underworld. Welcome to Valscura Lake. It's amazing. Yeah, the sound of the water is so relaxing. I will stay here forever. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, time to move down to the refuge to have a coffee. Yeah, anyway, it's so beautiful here. we are, guys. I just reached the car park, so this is the end. Hope you like this new format. I think sometimes we have to change a bit, just for the sake of I don't know, innovation, to find new way to be creative. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. It is really important to grow. Anyway, see you soon, maybe next week or the week after, with a new amazing video. In the meantime, folks, cheers.